You didn't get into a trade because you love spending your weekends chasing late payments or stressing over your BAS. So in this video, we're going to see how Xero can make these tasks a breeze so you can spend more time working on jobs that make you money. First, I'll show you how you can get off to a great start by saving hundreds of dollars when you sign up to Xero, and then we'll cover all the things Xero can help tradies with, including emailing quotes and invoices, getting paid faster, easily paying your staff, and doing your BAS in just a few minutes. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can watch our free videos on how to set up and use Xero, so make sure you stick around for that. Okay, let's get started. If you don't already have Xero, the best thing to do is click on the link in the description below and sign up to Xero on the next page. That's because Xero is sponsoring this video and offering a huge 90% discount off your first 6 months if you sign up through our link. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so make sure you check that out if you want to save some serious money. Now that you've got Xero, let's see how it can help your trade business, starting with sending quotes to your potential customers. Instead of fumbling around with Word docs or spreadsheets, Xero lets you create professional-looking quotes in seconds right inside the program. You can easily add your business logo, customize your pricing, and email the quote directly to your customer with just one click. And then, once your customer accepts, you can convert the quote into an invoice instantly. No retyping, no double handling, just a seamless flow from quote to invoice, all inside Xero. And that seamless flow continues right through to getting paid. Once you've finished some work and you're ready to invoice your client, you can use Xero's mobile app to email the invoice to your client before you've even packed up your tools. And not only can you send the invoice on the spot, you can get paid right away too. If you connect Xero to a payment service like Stripe or Pinch Payments, a Pay Now button will appear on your invoices. Your customer can type in their card details, tap the button, and pay you on the spot. Even better, if you use Pinch Payments, you can pre-approve customers, which gives you authority to take payments automatically. So no more stressing over whether your customer will remember to pay you. You can also set up direct debits, recurring payments, and payment plans. We highly recommend checking out Pinch Payments for smooth payment processing, and you can check out their link in the description below. And for customers who do miss their payments, you don't have to spend your evenings playing debt collector. You can turn on Xero's automatic invoice reminders, which sends out emails to chase payment on day 7, day 14, day 21, or whenever you like, while you stay focused on the next job. Once you've got your cash flowing in, the next major headache is stopping it from leaking back out through forgotten material costs and failing to claim tax deductions on expenses. Think about how often you go to Bunnings, grab a few extra fittings or tools for a job, throw the paper receipt in your glove box, and completely forget to charge it to the client or claim the GST later on. These little missing amounts can add up to thousands of dollars over time. Xero solves this problem by using HubDoc, which comes completely free with your Xero subscription. The second you get a receipt, you open the app and snap a photo. The software automatically reads the supplier name, the GST, and the total amount, and pushes it straight into Xero. No more relying on faded receipts stuffed in your glove box. If your business needs a more sophisticated, high-volume solution for expense management, check out Dext. It's an advanced alternative to HubDoc that offers deeper data extraction and smarter automation for complex workflows. Dext is very popular amongst Xero users, so if you want to check it out and get a 15% discount on your subscription, make sure you click on the link in the description below. Now, here's where all that effort pays off. This is the bank reconciliation screen, the place where your bank transactions, such as invoices you've sent and the receipts you've snapped in HubDoc, all meet up. Xero does the heavy lifting by automatically matching your bank transactions to your invoices, bills, receipts, etc. So when you go to reconcile your bank account, you're basically just hitting OK to confirm. For regular expenses like buying petrol or supplies from Bunnings, you can set up bank rules to categorize them automatically. It turns a massive Sunday night paperwork headache into a quick 5-minute task. If you want to know which jobs are actually making you money and which ones are just burning your time, you need a job tracker. To keep it simple and all in one place, you can use Xero Projects. It's built right into Xero, letting you quote against specific jobs, log your hours, track material costs, and see your profit margins all in real time, all without needing extra software. However, if you need a bit more grunt, like advanced scheduling or specific trade-heavy workflows, that's where a Xero add-on app may come in. For trade businesses, check out Tradify for maintenance work or heavy hitters like Fergus and Simpro for larger construction projects. Links to those apps are also in the description below. Now, when it comes time to pay your team, Xero's got you covered there too. For employees, Xero's payroll system handles single-touch payroll compliance, automatically reporting wages, taxes, and super directly to the ATO every single payday. Your team can use the Xero Me app on their phones to log their hours, submit timesheets, and request leave, which saves you a massive amount of paperwork. And if you've got subcontractors, Xero makes the dreaded taxable payments annual report incredibly simple. You can tag your subbies inside the software, and when tax time rolls around, Xero generates the report for the ATO instantly, saving you from a massive headache. Now, one of the best things about Xero is that if you keep your accounts clean and up to date, lodging your quarterly BAS takes minutes, not days. All you need to do is keep up with reconciling your bank accounts, snapping photos of your receipts, and filing your pay runs, and Xero will calculate your GST and pay-as-you-go withholding tax numbers in the background. When it comes time to lodge your BAS, all you have to do is check it, click a button to send it directly to the ATO, and then pay the tax office instantly with BPay. And because Xero is 100% cloud-based, your accountant can log in to your file from their own office if you need them to check anything, meaning no more emailing back and forth or taking half a day off to visit their office. Using Xero for your trade business is all about getting back your time so you can focus on money-making jobs instead of stressful admin tasks. If you're ready to get started, make sure you use the link in the description below to score 90% off your first 6 months of Xero. I've also provided links to the add-on apps mentioned in this video to give you easy access to the best deals they offer right now. And when you're ready to learn how to set up and use Xero step by step without spending any money on a course, head over to our channel's homepage and look for our free Xero Beginners, Xero Payroll, and Xero Projects playlists. So that's it for this video, and I hope it helps you decide whether Xero is right for your trade business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.